presenting you my informative speech, which is going to be about space. Alright, so as many of you know, space is a very vast place. It contains our universe, our galaxy, our solar system, which has and contains our Earth that we currently live on right now. And I'm going to be telling you some interesting facts about a few of those things. A cool fact about space is actually that sound is completely silent. Or actually, for that matter, you can't even hear sound in space. And due to that fact is because there is no atmosphere in space. And that's what sound travels through, is an atmosphere. Which means that sound has no medium or way to be traveled or heard in space, which is why you can't hear it. Astronomers use radios to use communication while in space, since radio waves can still be sent and received. And you can obviously still talk in a short distance in space, like maybe on the space station or in a probe or something like that. The hottest planet in our solar system is about 450 Celsius, and that is Venus. Venus is the hottest planet in our solar system, and it has an average surface temperature of about 450 Celsius during the day, and then during the night, it can get down to as cold as negative 58 Celsius, which is actually, to both degrees, very extreme both ways. Venus is not the closest planet to the sun, actually. Mercury is. But since Mercury has no atmosphere to regulate temperature, it has a very large temperature fluctuation, much larger than that of Venus's. Another cool fact is that there may potentially be life on Mars. Mars, of all planets, is most likely to be the most hospitable in our solar system. In 1986, NASA found that they have thought to have seen microscopic fossils living in rocks that are on Mars. But they're not 100% sure, since it's been a long time since they've sent a mission up there to see if there actually are living life forms on Mars. Another cool fact about space is actually nobody knows for sure how many stars there are in the solar system. There's just so many. The sheer size of space makes it impossible to accurately predict just how many stars we have. Right now, scientists and astronomers use the number of stars only within our galaxy. The Milky Way, which is where we live, is estimated to have between 200 and 400 billion stars. And just think about it. If we have more than one Milky Way, which wouldn't be called the Milky Way, it would just be a different galaxy. But if we have different galaxies, different universes, that just adds on to that number, which makes it a lot more than even that 2 to 400 billion, which is already an enormous number. So space really is uncountable. Another cool fact is that Halley's Comet won't orbit past Earth again until actually after 2061. This comet was famously discovered in 1705 by Edmund Halley. The famous comet was last seen in 1986 and is only seen once every 75 to 76 years, which means that we probably won't see it till around 2052 to 2054 again. Another cool fact, actually, is neutron stars can spin 600 times per second. Neutron stars are the densest and thinnest stars in the known universe. And although they have a radius of about 10 kilometers, they have a mass of a few times that of a sun, which is still pretty enormous. They can rotate at up to 60 times per second. They are born from a core collapse from a supernova star explosion. Okay, and then the last cool fact that I'm going to be sharing with you guys today is that there may be planets out there made of diamonds. As space goes, it would be pretty impressive that there's a whole planet that contains solidified graphite. Researchers at Yale University suggested that a rocky planet called 55 Cancer E, which has a radius twice of Earth, has a mass up to 8 times greater and may have a surface made up of graphite and diamond. It's 40 light years away, but visible to the naked eye, and is in the constellation of Cancer. Thank you very much, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day.